Hey everybody, today I'm going to do an unboxing. This is actually the first unboxing I've done in a pretty long time. I haven't gotten a package in a while. So I'm going to do an unboxing of this box. Let's see here. What is in here? Let me take a look and see what's in this package. All right. Take a look and see what's in here. There's a lot of nice cars in this packaging, I know that. There's a mix of different things in there. It's all newly packaged stuff. So let me get started. I'm gonna do the first car. I'm gonna do these slowly. So this is the Canyon Carver. This is from 2010. This is the Straight Pipes, also from 2010. Straight Pipes in yellow, or purple, from 2010. Just zoom out a little bit here, show you guys the full card. This is the Dodge Charger SRT8 from 2007, I believe. This is the Chrysler 300C Hemi. This is the 1968 Mustang. I did get a similar one to this in orange, actually. This is the 40 Ford. This is in black. This is from 2006. Another 40 Ford. Then what else do we have in here? We got Poison Arrow. This is from 2010. The 32 Ford, also from 2010. The Deuce Roadster. Excuse me. The Mad Props. This is the yellow version. I believe this is an N case, I believe, from 2010, if I'm not mistaken. Not really sure. This is an earlier Mad Props. This is a G case from 2010. That's when they started doing the case codes, around the 2008 time period. This is a B case. This is the first Mad Props that was released from 2010 also. We have a bunch more in here. We got more. We got the Riley and Scott MK3 in red from 2010. We have another Riley and Scott MK from 2010. Right here. We have the, let's see here. We got the Buick Riviera from 2005. Let me just move this back. There we go. And we have the Corvette C6. Let me get this out. This is a Spectre. This is the blue version. I have the green version. This is the blue version of the Spectre. Let me get the rest of these out of here and I'll show you them. There's a few more left in here. That's it. This is the Batmobile. This is the 2007 version. I have the 2009 version. This one's different. a lot of different ways. This is the Road Cannibal, also known as the Grizzler. Nerve Hammer. We have the Evil Twin. We have the Bad Bagger. The Subaru torpedoes, the one I showed you guys online. We had this one for a long time. And then finally, the stock car. So these are all the cars that I received. Let me just slowly pan out the view. And that's it for my unboxing today, guys. Thank you and have a good day.